Tatshat, Sri Gopalo Krishnaya Namo. Ladies and gentlemen, it's good afternoon from India. It's a matter of immense pleasure and happiness that Third International Conference on Hinduism, Management and Philosophy, hosted by Bhagavad Gita Research Foundation and Sri Sri Gita Sangha Bangladesh, is going to be held today. I appreciate core team members of Bhagavad Gita Research Foundation for organizing such an illustrious conference by bringing together so many learned academics, renowned and distinguished devotee scholars, researchers, and diverse Hindu spiritual representatives from around the world, with the primary objective to examine and elucidate the teachings of Hinduism, its philosophy, and its relation to our everyday life. On behalf of Indian chapter, I extend my earnest welcome to all attending members and keynote speakers of the conference. At the same time, I sincerely express my appreciation for thinking of a monthly symposium by BGRF core members, which is taking place on last Saturday of every month with a view to empowering families, including children, with divine tenets and teachings of Hinduism. Picking up one theme for presentation by eminent scholars, discussion and interaction thereafter with participants seems to be very workable for dissemination of tenets and essence of Hinduism. Learning and chanting of mantras by children is another worth mentioning idea, since chanting of mantras, which is considered to possess mystical or spiritual efficacy, comes our mind and soul. It can help enhance our mental strength and ability for concentration. It can improve our attention and change our mood. It's my firm belief that views, interpretations, and theories to be delivered by respected speakers would help us understand and realize profound and beautiful messages of Gita and Hinduism, which can guide us in all spheres of our life, as perplexed Arjuna with conflict and confusion before the start of an 18 days epic war was invigorated and ultimately stood up to finally lead his army to victory, after Krishna guided Arjuna and called him to action with teachings on how to lead an enlightened life. At the moment, after going through the list of theme topics, I am extremely excited and eagerly waiting to be enlightened and get reply to my many askings about Hinduism. I am, being in the field of manufacturing industry, waiting with a bit specific interest to listen to Professor Prashant Salwan, who has found in his research that the best leader is the person who has the capabilities of Hindu Trinity, Brahma, Shiva, and Vishnu, and also waiting to know how his research would help us, the leaders, to cultivate the capabilities of Hindu Trinity for creating and sustaining the competitive advantage. In this connection, as an individual working for about 40 years in the field of industrial management, where risk and stress, conflict, confusion, and uncertainty are very much prevalent, I would like to propose to work on it in the light of essence of Gita as well as Hinduism, to develop theories to enlighten and empower the minds of individuals for their personal excellence in the field. Finally, I wholeheartedly wish the conference a success. Namaskar.